Chapter 20 Interjection. Get set go. Read the poem below and underline the words that show sudden reactions or feelings of the speaker. Up in the sky, so high and bright, a little red balloon took flight. Wow, it soared with such delight and danced around so full of might. Oh, it twisted in the breeze with colors flashing through the tree. Yea, it bobbed and swayed with glee. Oops, it nearly bumped into me. Hurray for this joyous sight! A balloon's dance on a sunny light. Hey, let's catch it as it floats and make some wishes at it gloats. Learn with me. Words like wow, oh, yay, oops, hooray, bravo, etc. are used to express strong feelings or sudden reactions. Such words are called interjection. We put a mark of exclamation after interjection. Learn the following interjections and see how they are used in sentences. Hooray! Show joy or happiness. Hooray! India has won the match. Else. Express sorrow. Else. I missed my train. Wow! Shows surprise or amazement. Wow! Look at the huge cake. Oh! Shows surprise or realization. Oh, I forget to call grandma. Oops! Used when we make a small mistake. Oops! I spilled my milk. Hey! Used to get someone attention. Hey, don't forget your lunch box.